Hey everyone, this is not a silver video. This is not gold, this is not precious metals, this is nothing. I am pumped, I'm excited. I'm a big kid because I am getting my Christmas present early. One of the ones that I really wanted. Yes, I now have the Call of Duty Black Ops Pro Edition. It has just arrived. I am literally just pulling it out of its package. It is right now 5:30 p.m. And it said in the email I'm not allowed to put this into my PlayStation until 6 p.m. Right, so there's a nice box and all that hoorah stuff. Let's see here if I just move this. I'm sorry. I got some specialist outfits. 10 patches, hoorah. A steel book and full game, of course. Signature weapons, you get some extra COD points, zombie stuff, and of course the Black Ops Pass, which I really hate Activision because, and yet I'm buying every single Call of Duty that they have. But I really hate them because they don't have their own kind of subscription. They just roll stuff over. So, right, that's the box. Here we go. Nice steel case. Some blood and gore here. Oh. Open it up. There's some codes in here. I can't let anyone see those. They're my codes. So I got, I can't show the other side because that's my code. So that's my bonus content stuff. And I get more, oh, there's another code there. So I got some more stuff there. Digital content. And of course the disclaimer, hoorah. Okay, so that's the game. I'll be playing that in a few minutes. All things crossed. You also get this little Black Ops Zombies. I don't know what's inside of this. Let's have a good look. Folds out. Oh, yes. Let's have a look here. It's just some zombie art. Kind of pointless, really, but hey, it goes there. Pretty sure that, no, that was same as the back cover, yeah. Two more things here. And just running through this because I really want to play it. Oh, cool. Hey, these are actually patches if you wanted to stick these onto a jacket or some kind of fabric bit. I like that kind of spade there. That suits me. Bloody heck, that's cool. Oh, wow. There's a lot of them. Let's move this around. I don't normally do it, but yeah, it's pretty cool. It's a gimmick, but these are fabric, and I presume they're just stuck on, but I do like that spade there. I think that's cool. Anyone that knows me will agree that that suits me down to a T. And there's some kind of weird thing here, again. Oh yeah. I have no idea what the heck this thing is. Alright, okay. It's a pops sockets. So photo grip, texting, basically you stick this onto the back of your phone. Why, I don't know. But hey, useless. The main thing is I got the game, I got my codes, and I'll be online and I'm gonna actually see if it works. That's what I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see if it works. If not, what's the worst that's going to happen? But I got it. It'll probably just tell me to wait. They said that the content won't upload till 6 p.m. EST, Eastern Central Time. But I got this, received this about a few hours ago. But as with life, other things kind of take priority. Now, all my priorities are done. I'm on this thing all night long, so I'll be a zombie tomorrow. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys, and I look forward to, well, being a total geek. Haha! More so than usual. Thanks a lot. Bye.